Hi, everyone. Okay, magsisimula na muna tayo sa mga kindergarten. Uling mga hindi interesado to start? O sige, yung ready mag-start, nakatingin lahat dito. Okay, o para marinig mo lahat. At makita mo lahat yung mga nag-ready and mga nag-prepare for today's parade. Okay, nandito si Deadpool. Tama ko ba si Deadpool? Okay. Nandito si Olaf. And nandito si Harry Potter. At nandito naman si Superman, si Mario, Elsa, do you know Elsa? Okay, and one quiz and give an honesty. Barbie, kayo? Snow White? Okay. Sailor. Spider. Okay, picture. Elsa. Snow White. Cinnamon. What's this? Cinnamon.
Ibong Adarna.
Aurora. She's the Aurora. Siya daw si Little Red Riding Hood and not so little na dalaga na siya.
Head nurse.
Tingin kayo na, picture. Ang ingay na Grace. Sino kayo maingay na Grace? Samurai. Yun, si Samurai.
Captain America.
Captain America, palakpakan naman natin sila. Picture! Okay, baba na. Ay, picture. Ayan. Ito na ang ating huling grupo from grade 4. Magpakilala ka. Sino ka? Skeleton. Masarap mo sa skeleton. Ikaw ang buhay ka muli. Dinosaur. Akala ko din sa Toy Story. Ay, kwento yun yung sa Toy Story, diba?
Ninja.
Anya. Witch. Mga witch din Picture. Character. Republic of the Philippines Department of Education, Region 3, School Division of Angeles City, Meaning Elementary School. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to for demonstrating exceptional creativity and enthusiasm, earning the title of Best in Costume during the Parade of Characters in celebration of National Reading Month. Your portrayal brought beloved characters to life, inspiring imagination and love for reading within our community, given this 13th day of November 2024 at Meaning Elementary School, Angeles City, signed by Mrs. Nadine Dimaliari, Principal 1, and the winner for the Best in Costume in Kindergarten is Peter Pan! costume? Sino kaya? And then, si Elsa, si Barbie, Cinderella, si Tinkerbell, si Anna. And the winner for our grade 1 best in costume goes to, I see, Pirate! Yay! Ito natin! Me or give us your best smiles. Smile nga kayo. In grade 2, goes to our enchanted fairy, Banya Penelope Linda. Yes, so good. Advisor. Sino pong advisor, Ma'am Beth? Sino ba yung grade 3? Our best in costume in grade 3 goes to Samurai Kyle Dexter.